launch React Native Playground, it will copy some necessary assets into a working directory. So when you open application and go to projects tab, you will see there's already some files and folders, and these folders include examples for bundled libraries. Usually it's just a copy paste from documentation, but you can start exploring from here. They can be, just like everything else, they can be edited, modified as you wish. Then code snippets folder. It contains code snippets in JSON format. You can paste some boilerplate code into your application. For example, if I'll go to test.js and I want to add a new functional component, I can go to Snippets tool and select functional component like this. I will give it a name, my component insert, and it just adds code from the snippet. Again, you can add your own snippets. Next is file templates directory. It contains file templates for newly created files. For example, if I'll add a new file app.js and I want to use application template, this app.js will contain application template code, and I can start editing and running it. Next is modules folder. It contains pre-transpiled modules. They are loaded on demand into the application, so once you used it in your code and want to run your application, this import will be loaded, and only then this library will be available. So for example, we have here Victory Native library, and we have in examples Victory Native examples. It loads Victory Native library from modules folder. If I'll try to run it, it will take some time because that's a big library, and to evaluate all of this JavaScript code, it will take time. Okay, it's done. Since this examples file exports many examples, many React Native components, we use names container, which shows a list of all the exports available. So I can pick for export to see what component it exports. Let's go with something like this. Yeah, okay. The next folder is run containers. Run containers are JavaScript files which have only one default export, and this export must have export function, which is higher order component. This higher order component is a support component for your code. So it, for example, we have export names container. It shows image background and shows select for exports, for available exports. Also we have component container. It gets default export and assumes it is a React Native component, and displays it over transparent image background with a back button. For example, test.js will be running with dark component container. So as you can see, it just this file is just a text, but it's been rendered on an image and with button to go back. on top right corner. You can create your own containers, own higher order components, and you can also supply additional data. If your code requires some props, you can like add fixtures to your container. So, but they're being used only in playground when running code in Playground. They have nothing to do with running code as application. And the last folder is tools folder. It contains all the custom tools which are available currently for React Native Playground. Some of tools, as I shown before, are available on editor screen if you swipe from right to left. For example, this FI icon, it represents icon finder tool. We can find it here. It's icon finder tool. It shows you icons from available from React Native vector icons package, like this. You can pick which font you want to use, and it shows like this. It shows you all the icons available in this font. Also tools, there's general type tools which are placed in a tools tab. For example, immersive view tool, I can activate it and the whole Playground application goes to immersive view. And the last type of tools is file tree tools. You can create tools for files, for folders, for projects, or there can be one tool for all types of file tree elements, for files and for folders and so on. For example, file log tool is available only for files. It restricts file from editing. For example, if I want to restrict test.js file from editing, okay, it's now locked, and if I'll try to open it, it opens in read-only mode. I can't edit it. To open custom, to see all custom tools for files or folders, you need to swipe from right to left and then left to right. It's kind of tricky, but yeah, I'm working on it. For now, it's this way, because if you just swipe from right to left, it will just try to close the whole menu. So that's it for file tree. In next videos I will show more information about all the tabs from